Hi, my name is Cindy, aka Z9designs. Today is Christmas cookie jar gift ideas, making the spirits bright. I will show you some unique and different ways to give a gift with cookies in it with love. DIY number 1, a jean pocket Christmas gift. Supplies needed include a jean pocket, scissors, tissue paper, cookie on a stick, snowman stamp, cardboard, white, red, green, and orange paint, either paint pen or acrylic paint. I cut a pocket off some washed jeans that I had in my stash, and they didn't fit anymore. So I cut the pocket and then I put a cardboard insert inside. Then I took my snowman stamp and dipped it into some white acrylic paint and stamped it on the back of the pocket. The nose was filled in with an orange paint pen. The hat with green holly and red berries with the paint pen also. I added chocolate cookie on a stick. Tissue paper was stuffed inside when it was dry. How cute this is to give it to a young person. I think it is so cute. And the snowman is just waving hello. DIY number 2, tiny jar with cookie. The supplies needed include a yogurt glass jar, the Ralph Lauren Vibe ribbon, a wrapped chocolate cookie, and a bell. Now, this is a nod to Ralph Lauren, who is very popular this year. So I cleaned a glass yogurt jar and wrapped a red plaid ribbon around the jar. Then I inserted the small chocolate cookie inside, and the rest is Christmas history. See how I wrapped the cookie? I just wrapped it in some cellophane and tied it with a little ribbon. This is so easy and so cute. So this looks really, really cool. So you have to let me know what you think of this one too. DIY number 3 is a paper bag apron. The supplies needed include a white paper bag, and this is from Dollar Tree because you need not the ribbon ties but woven tight handles. I took the white bag and I made little cuts on either side. From the side to the top on the left and the right. And this way it takes on the apron look. Next, I open the bag and the sides are not straight. So I cut the sides so that they would be even on both sides. Then I took my computer and I typed the words from my house to yours. Or you can type from my kitchen to your kitchen. And as you would have it, I accidentally tore the bag. And to cover this up, I cut some green felt holly leaves and some red berries. And I glued them on the torn spots so you just can't tell. I put some cookies inside in a cellophane bag and closed it with some ribbon string. Now, I punched 2 openings at the top. I did the first punch just fine, but the second punch, I didn't get it just right. I didn't have the punch down far enough, but you got to make things do. So I just added some tape there and made another punch. And then I took some red and white string, put one in one opening, and then brought the other one through the other and tied a little bow. And this looks so cute. DIY number 4, a cloth sack with a cookie and greetings. Supplies needed include a cloth sack, a greeting stamp that said Merry Christmas, green and red felt. This was for the holly and the red berries. And this was very easy but simplistic. And I had gotten this bag several years ago, and so some of the berries and leaves were picked off. I guess you could say I needed to refurbish it. So I added the missing holly with green felt and the berries with red felt. I took my Merry Christmas stamp and put some black ink on it and stamped right on the sack, Merry Christmas. This makes a nice gift with cookies or candies inside. Isn't this the cutest? Christmas Cookie Jar Gift Ideas is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Jennifer at Home, Debbie Bubbles, Donna Decor and More, and me, Z9designs. Be sure to use the hashtag CookieJar25 to watch some amazing ideas. So, if you have liked what you've seen, please subscribe, like, save, and comment, and show me some love. Also, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And make sure you comment. And remember, make peace, not war, during the holidays. See you later. Bye-bye. Love, Cindy.